Alright, Christojay, you have been in great form for Harbourview so far this season. Lovely over the weekend, you guys play against Waterhouse. You put in also a tremendous performance. What do you think have been contributed to your Richfield form so far?
For me, I think, a bit of determination, commitment, because I know. Coming out of Europe, they play fast, and you have to be consistent. So I just try to be as consistent as possible, in each game. Try to train this way as well to keep,
In regards to you just said coming from Europe, in regards to the tempo and the pace versus yours, what's the difference? Is there a vast difference?
Yeah, this is slow. The pace here is slower, but it will take time for the players, to develop that part of their game, in playing fast. But
you think that basically the fact that you have played at that level would kind of showcase why you look that stand out in each and every game you play?
Yeah, for most part, for most performances, But as I said, it's a self-belief, I believe in myself. I know I can, change a game, or so it's just self-belief.
So you think your team Harbourview has what it takes to win both trophies for this season?
Yeah, no doubt about it, But we'll go again. We are not underestimating anyone, even though we're the defending champions. We have to just take each game, a step at a time, and just try to get a result.
All right, Christojay, and good game again, yeah?
All right, thank you.